my hair back as like slick as I can, like no edges though. I'm gonna get my wig. Ooh. So I have my wig, I'm just brushing it. It's not actually a wig, it's a ponytail, but whatever. I washed it like 2 weeks ago and it's still so soft because I haven't really worn it. So if you don't know how to put in this ponytail, watch a tutorial. Watch my tutorial, I mean. So my tutorial will be right here and it will be explaining how to do it. So I've done my hair like so. So I've done my eyebrows. I'm gonna get my light concealer, which I use on the bottom of my eyebrows, and dot it on my eyelids. Okay, so I'm gonna start with this colour and put this all over my eyes. Now I'm gonna get a brush just like this and I'll use this to like fade out the edges. And now I'm just gonna get this colour as well and deepen it even more. So it looks like this. So I'm gonna get my same concealer. I'm putting this on a concealer brush, like so. And now I'm going to just put the concealer on the bottom of my lid, in the centre, like this, and then look up. So I'm gonna end up using this. This is called Unicorn Sky and it's an eyeshadow palette. It has the most beautiful glitter eyeshadows. This is from my store Ignite Cosmetics. So I'll put the link here and the link in the description. By the way, I launched a website and it has loads of different makeup products from different companies which I've sourced myself from different from different companies. So this is one of my products and I'm going to be using this on my eye look. I'm going to need this, the Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna wait. I need my glitter eyeliner. I'm gonna be using this gold because it's the closest color to my eyeliner. How it's gonna be, I'm gonna add some glue. I'm gonna use eyelash glue because I don't have glitter glue and I can't be bothered to buy some, so I'm using this. So I added the glitter from the Sky Unicorn palette. But to define it more, I'm going to get my glitter eyeliner. I also sell glitter eyeliners on my website, but this isn't the exact same one. This was actually from a brand called Collection. but the one on my website is different. So this is what the eye look looks like so far. So I've added the lashes. This is what the eye look looks like. Oh my god, it turned out way better than I thought. I'm running so late, I don't know the time, but I just know I am because my alarm went off and that's the alarm that I need to leave. So yeah. Before foundation, I'm gonna need to moisturize my face. I use Dove Essential Nourishing Lotion on my skin. I've been using this like since I was a baby and I haven't like really needed to change it, so I still use it to this day. I'm gonna put on like one squirt and then see how far it goes. Okay. And now concealer. Now I need to hurry up. I'm using this dark concealer to conceal my forehead, contour, and you know, make sure there's no flashback because I don't want to have flashback on my birthday. The brush I'm using is a stippling brush and it's from a set. Blush is going to be this baked sparkly blush, so I just need to take a few. And highlighter. I'm using this small brush. The highlighter I'm using today is from this. It's called Rosa Wheat. It's on my website, ignitecosmetics.com. I'll put the highlighter in the description. So the colour I'm using, wait, I don't know if this is dark. I'm going to use gold. Oh my god, that's so pigmented. Oh my god. So now I've done most of the makeup. I just need to lip line my lips and then put on lip gloss. I'm using this lip liner. It is by Primark. So yeah. All I need to do now is get earrings and put ice on my wrist. So I got my watch and I got my jewelry. This is what the makeup looks like. I'm extra, so I got a tiara. Well, my mum bought it for me because I asked for it. So I'm gonna put this on like so. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, go watch my vlog and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Bye.
What? Hey, okay. Naruto, Nine Tail, Fox, I feel like a Gucci ad lib. Go to the Coca-Cola mascot.